Question 1, 1.1. Factorize the following expressions completely. Leave your answers in simplest form. So we have 1.1.1. X squared minus 16x plus 15. So we have x squared minus 16x plus 15. Since the highest degree is 2, it means we have a quadratic expression. So the coefficient of the x squared term is 1. So we say 1 multiplied by the constant, and then we get 15. So now let's look for two numbers that will give us the product of 15, but the sum of the middle coefficient, which is negative 16. So we have negative 1 and negative 15. When you multiply them together, you get positive 15. When you add them together, you get negative 16. So this is into x minus 1 into x minus 15. And then we get 1 mark. 1.1.2, a into 6a plus 2b minus 3 into 3a plus b. So with this type of expressions, the first thing we have to note that we are going to factorize the expression by grouping the factors. So it means we are going to say a, and then we take out a common factor inside the brackets. We have what? We have 2 as a common factor. 2 times a is 2a into, so 6a divided by 2, we get 3a. 2b divided by 2, we get b. So now we have minus 3 into 3a plus b. So it means we take out a common factor of 3a plus b into 3a plus b into again 2a minus 3. And then the expression is fully factorized. 1.2. Simplify the following expressions completely. We have 1.2.1, we have 27 to the power of 2 divided by 3. So this is the same as 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 3, right? So because 3 to the power of 3 is 27, then this is 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. So 3 will cancel out with 3. We remain with 3 to the power of 2, and then we get 9, because 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3. We have 1.2.2. X plus 3 divided by x minus 3 multiplied by x cubed minus 27 divided by x squared minus 9 divided by x squared plus 3x plus 9 divided by x minus 3. So we have x plus 3 divided by x minus 3 multiplied by, so we have x cubed minus 27. 27 is 3 cubed. So we have the difference of 2 cubes. So we are going to say into x minus 3. That's how we factorize it. Into again, we say x squared. We get x squared there. And then since we have a minus in the middle, we say plus there. And then is x times 3. We get 3x. And then now 3 squared, we get 9. All divided by, we have x squared minus 9. 9 is 3 squared. So we have the difference of 2 squares. And then we have to factorize it. We say into x minus 3 into x plus 3. That's how we factorize the difference of 2 squares. Now we have a division sign there. We change it to multiplication, and we flip this fraction. So we get x minus 3. And then again, we get x squared plus 3x plus 9. So now we have factorized the expression fully. X plus 3 will cancel out with x plus 3. X minus 3 will cancel out with x minus 3. X minus 3 will cancel out with x minus 3. X squared plus 3x plus 9 will cancel out with x squared plus 3x plus 9. And then we have what? The answer is 1, right? And then we get 4 marks there. So we have 1.2.3, 3 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 to the power of x plus 2 divided by 3 to the power of x plus 2 plus 3 to the power of x. So with this one, we know that if we have a to the power of n plus m, this is the same as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. So when we multiply powers with the same base, we copy the base and add the exponents. So we have what? 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1 minus 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2 plus 3 to the power of x. So now let's take out a common factor of 3 to the power of x, and then inside the brackets we remain with 3 minus 9. All divided by, we take out a common factor of 3 to the power of x, we have 9 plus 1. So now 3 to the power of x will cancel out with 3 to the power of x. And then we have what? 3 minus 9 is minus 6 divided by 9 plus 1 is 10. So it means we have negative 3 divided by 5 as the final answer. In total, we get 13 marks. Question 2, 2.1, solve for x. We have 2.1.1. 2 times 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 18. So now we divide on either side of the equal sign with 2. We get 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 18 divided by 2. We get what? We get 9. Oh,